Hello, Samuel. Are you gonna wake up for us? Oh. Mommy, are you proud?
He was imitating his ultrasound picture. Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Say
I
hello.
am.
Hello, world. I am Samuel Andrew Traub.
Son of Andrew Traub.
And I have a big dip in my chin.
Really subtle, just like Daddy.
Thompson knows.
Yep. Yep.
Looks kind of
Mommy's
pasty.
hair.
Looks kind of pasty on camera, but he really has some beautiful tone to him. So, okay.
Yeah.
Welcome to our world. 8 pounds, 20.5 inches. Born February 15, 2008 in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. The temperature was 16 degrees. Outside, not inside. All natural. No pain medication for Mommy. That's why we left the hospital 26 hours later. Come to our beautiful home. Where we are now. Right, Samuel? That's right.